Assalamualaikum class, this is Miss Uruj Ayman Raza. Today we are continuing our chapter, that is the world in the beginning. In this lecture I am giving you the reinforcement of that chapter, and after that I am giving you home task and activity which is based on this chapter. So class, in this lecture the content which we are studying about are the reinforcement of the chapter, that is the world in the beginning, from the book page number 4 and 5. Topics are included: the world in the beginning, the earliest human, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. After that I am giving you home task and activity related to that chapter. So class, the chapter introduction, the world in the beginning, is that the earth is about 4.5 billion years old. Life first emerged about 3.8 billion years ago. Our journey began in South Africa, where fossils of some of the earliest known life forms on earth have been found. So class, there is a comparison between the two things, that is Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. Homo erectus, same size as modern human size, more muscles and stronger than modern human, had a bigger brain than Homo habilis. Their brain were 2/3 in the size of the modern human, could walk standing straight and upright, long and flat head that is angled at the back, thigh bone exactly the same as modern human. Characteristics of Homo sapiens: ever large brain, more intelligent, superior intellectual capacity, creating using more advanced and precious tools, using animals' pelts as clothing, developing tools that help produce other tools. The world in the beginning. So class, I am reading it, you have to listen it carefully, put your fingers on your book. No one knows how or when the universe and the world began. The earth is only a small planet of one of the smaller stars, the sun. And our sun is only one of millions of other stars in the universe. Some scientists say that the earth itself was formed about 4,000 million years ago from white hot gases pulled out from the sun by passing star. These took 2,000 million years to cool down and for the rocks and water to be formed before any life could appear. The first living thing seems to have been the green smelly we see on the stagnant water, and this was the only life there was for another 1,500 million years when tiny creatures began to appear in the warm waters. About 300 million years ago, a small living thing like lizard, which could live on land and in water, appeared, as well as some simple insects. About 250 million years ago came reptile, at first very tiny, but after a long time developing into the mighty dinosaurs. Simple mammals appeared about 200 million ago, and 50 million years after that the first clumsy bird. The first animal resembling a human being did not come about until only 2 to 3 million years ago. If we imagine that the earth began 24 hours ago, then the first ape man appeared only 54 seconds ago. The earliest human, the first people appeared in East Africa and were probably halfway between human and apes. They were short and bent forward as they walked. Their bodies were covered with coarse hair, and they almost certainly could not talk to one another. They wandered in family groups searching for food, which includes leaves, roots, berries, dead animals and lizards, insects and small creatures which they ate raw. They had no weapons or tools except the sticks and stones that they picked up from the ground. They had no way to cooking food because they did not know how to make fire, though sometimes they may have seen grass set ablaze by the sun rays or a volcano, they splat under bushes or the trees and then moved on. Homo erectus. The first real people appeared in East Africa about 1500,000 years ago. Homo erectus means upright men, but they were still not modern humans. They too moved in family groups through the forest and countryside looking for food, but their slightly larger brains enable them to make some very important discoveries. They find out how to hit stones together to make them into sharp edges or points, which could be used as weapons or for digging in the earth for roots. They discovered how to sharpen a stick to make spears. These two inventions made life a little bit for them, as it was easier to catch animals for food. By this time, they could almost certainly talk in a simple language, but they still wore no clothing, although perhaps they may have much animal skin to cover themselves. When the weather became very cold, life was still only a little better than the life of animals. Homo sapiens. About a quarter of a million years ago, a new kind of human being appeared in many parts of the world, from China to Europe. We do not know whether Homo erectus changed or where the new people whom were called Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means wise. Came from. They had larger brain than the early people, but they were not as larger as our today. They looked a little more like us, but still had many features of the apes. Their slightly better brains enabled them to make new discoveries and inventions, the most important of which was how to make fire by rubbing two pieces of wood together. They could now cook their food by holding it near the fire on a stick. Fire gave some protection from wild animals and allowed them to move to cooler climate further north. Even so, there were no really big changes in the way people lived for another 200,000 years. So class, as a home task, you have to read the chapter The World in the Beginning completely. It will help you in the further discussion of the lesson, and you have to review the background of the history and importance of it by the help of the attached link. Hope you understand it. We will meet soon, inshallah. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz. So class, this is the activity you have to do in your notebook. Answer the following question. You have to write all the questions in your notebook and then answer it. First, you have to complete the following paragraph. The first paragraph is the first living thing on earth was dash, which appeared about dash years ago. The earliest creature we would recognize were dash. They appeared about years ago. Dinosaurs appeared about dash years ago. The first human creature did not appear for dash after the dinosaur. The second paragraph is Homo erectus means dash. They were called this because dash. You have to give a brief statement for it. Question number 2 is in what way did fire help the early people? You have to answer this question in your own words. The last question is what is a hunter or gatherer? Class, hope you understand it and hope you complete all the activity in your notebook. We will meet inshallah with a new lecture. Till then, you have to take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.